If she's not feeling it in bed, it's not just about your technique or how long you last. It's something far more subtle, and most men never even think about it. Ever wondered why she seems distant during sex? Why her energy drops? Why she doesn't moan, move, or melt the way she used to? It's not always her hormones. It's not always stress. Sometimes it's you. Or more specifically, how present you are. In this video, we're pulling back the sheets and exposing the truth most guys overlook. We're diving into the real reasons she's not turned on and what to do about it. If you're tired of guessing, if you want to unlock deeper, hotter, more connected sex, keep watching. Because the answers aren't complicated, but they are uncomfortable. And if you're man enough to hear them, you just might become the kind of lover she craves, not the one she tolerates. 1. Don't be dead silent. Your voice is part of the experience. Let's be real. Silence during sex doesn't feel mysterious or intense. It feels disconnected. And most women, they're not just listening for heavy breathing. They're listening for you. Your voice is part of the intimacy. It's a signal. It tells her, I'm here with you. I'm into this. I'm into you. Moan when something feels good. Whisper how incredible she feels. Say the things that are in your mind, the dirty, the tender, the raw. When you express your desire out loud, in words, in sounds, in breath, you give her something to respond to. You make her feel wanted, seen, and validated. Because here's the truth. She gets turned on by turning you on. She feeds off your pleasure. So when you go completely quiet, it's like shutting down feedback in the middle of a dance. You don't need to perform. Just be present, be vocal, and let her feel your enjoyment in more than just your touch. She's not just there to be done to. She wants to feel she's doing something to you. So let her know, with your voice, with your sounds, with your energy. 2. Don't show up dirty. Hygiene is foreplay. Let's be honest, this should go without saying. But too many grown men are showing up to the bedroom like they just left the gym or rolled out of bed. Funky breath, sweaty creases, untrimmed everything. And then wondering why she's not excited to get close? Bro, come on. Nothing kills sexual energy faster than bad hygiene. Period. Sex is a full-body experience. She's tasting you, breathing you in, feeling your skin on hers. If you don't smell good, feel fresh, or taste clean, it's a hard no. So here's the checklist. Brush your damn teeth. Not just a rinse, get in there. Trim your nails. You're not clawing drywall. Groom your beard and body hair. Nobody wants sandpaper on their thighs. And most importantly, wash your balls. Thoroughly. No shortcuts. Your scent matters. Your cleanliness matters. And not just for her comfort, for your confidence. When you know you smell amazing and feel good, you carry yourself differently. You're more relaxed, more seductive, more in control. Here's the deeper truth. Good hygiene is more than a turn-on, it's a sign of self-respect. It shows you care about how you show up. And when you respect yourself, it's way easier for her to desire you fully. So if you want her to go down on you, if you want her aroused the second your body touches hers, smell good, taste better, clean is sexy. Always. 3. Don't bring porn star aggression into real-life intimacy without reading the room. Let's get real. Just because it looks hot in porn doesn't mean it feels good in real life. That jackhammer, no eye contact, hyper-aggressive pounding you see on screen, it's performative, not passionate. And when you bring that same energy into the bedroom without context, connection, or consent, you risk turning a sensual experience into something that feels mechanical or even violating. Sex is about presence, not pressure. It's about rhythm, tension, release, not domination without invitation. Now don't get it twisted. Some women do love it rough. They want to be grabbed, spanked, choked, pinned. But the key difference? It's rooted in trust. It's earned, not assumed. They feel safe with you, seen by you, turned on because there's a foundation of emotional awareness behind the edge. Here's what real masculinity looks like in the bedroom. Start slow. Pay attention to her breathing, her sounds, her body language. Ask her what she likes, and actually listen. Lead, yes. But don't bulldoze. Don't perform. Connect. Rough sex isn't just about intensity, it's about energy exchange. You can go hard, but it has to come from a place of tuned-in desire, not blind imitation. Because being dominant without emotional intelligence isn't sexy, it's selfish. And that's the fastest way to make her disconnect. Be the man who knows when to press harder, but also when to pause, breathe, and look her in the eyes. That's the stuff that keeps her coming back. Here's the bottom line, brother. Good sex isn't just about penetration. It's about presence. It's about energy, voice, scent, and emotional tuning. And if you're silent, unclean, or just mimicking porn without a clue, you're not making love, you're missing the point. Women don't just want to be touched. They want to be felt. They want to know you see them, want them, and are with them, not just on them. So speak up, clean up, slow down, and show up with your whole body, voice, and soul. When you do, she'll not only feel it, she'll remember it. She'll crave it. She'll crave you. And that's the difference between being just another body in her bed or the man she dreams about when she's touching herself alone. If this opened your eyes, or if it made you squirm a little, good. That means you're growing. Hit that like button. Subscribe if you're about becoming a better man in and out of the bedroom, and tell me in the comments, what's one thing you plan to do differently tonight? This is Grown Folk Talk. Let's keep it that way. See you in the next one. Stay sharp. Stay sexy. Stay present.